Hey everyone, Chef Yoda the dog here. It's time for the Monday meal. I'm in a condo. I'm really enjoying it, as you can tell. My mom calls me Prince Yoda when I sit on the pillow like this. Anyway, so our Monday meal here at the condo in Broken Bow is going to be a corn dish. It is a stovetop cream cheese corn that my mom found on LordByron'sKitchen.com. So she's going to put a link to the original recipe in the description box below. She changed it quite a bit. I mean, she did the basic recipe, and she made it allergy friendly, of course. But she added some stuff to it that they didn't have in the recipe, so you can watch and see what changes she made. They were delicious. Bacon was one of them. Always a good choice, in my opinion. So, that's what the Monday meal is today. Hopefully you guys watch our other videos, including one of me at the Bark Park at our Houston campground. So, there's going to be a video about that too. Anyway, hope you guys have a great Monday. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please go ahead and do so. We would really appreciate it. Hope you have a great Monday. Chef Yoda the dog out.
Hey everyone, happy Monday. So the Monday meal today is a side dish, as Yoda was saying. It is stovetop cream cheese corn, and this is what it looks like. It's almost done, but we did frozen corn. You do 5 cups of frozen corn. Then I did some onion in there too, about a half a cup of frozen onion. And then it does salt and pepper, half a teaspoon pepper and 1/4 of a teaspoon sea salt is what I put in there. And then it also calls for cream cheese, 8 ounces. So I use So Delicious plant-based cream cheese, dairy-free. And then it calls for parsley, but I didn't use that. I added some bacon bits instead though, from a Hormel bacon bit bag. And then I also added some sun-dried tomatoes that I had sun-dried from my cherry tomatoes in the garden. So that is